video, I actually received a text message from a friend asking me, what am I doing on my iPhone 12 to make it seems like it's not overexposed or it's not too bright when I'm using it, when I'm filming it, and when I'm editing it on my laptop? Hang in there, I'm going to show you 2 ways of what you can do on your iPhone 12 to make your video looks perfect and not too bright.
From the way you talk, to the way you walk, to the way you rock that body, to the way you move, to the way you groove, I know you'll be somebody. So don't you frown or let it put you down. It's within, I know you got it. So bring that fire, let's take it out.
What is up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by today. For those of you who are new here, my name is Abby, and I am here to share cool tips to women of my age or the Generation X eras, and also share great tips to millennials and younger generation. I was so excited when I first saw the ads for iPhone 12, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is so cool that I can actually use this for vlogging and I don't have to carry my camera anymore. This is what I am using sometimes when I'm going outside and filming. It's kind of hard if you're carrying a lot of stuff and it's heavy. Plus, to be honest, I am not really comfortable like going outside, filming, carrying my camera, taking pictures, because first, I do look like a tourist. I am worried that people is gonna think that I am new in the area and someone suddenly just gonna grab my camera and run away. I don't know, I'm paranoid. I am not comfortable carrying this, especially when I'm by myself. When I first had my iPhone 12, I was super excited to use it. And I was like, oh my gosh, I can just use this, carry this wherever I go, and I can just start filming. And then I used my iPhone 12 when we went to San Francisco. And I was so disappointed after I uploaded my video on my laptop and I started editing it. I was like, oh my gosh, did I change something on the setting to make it look like this bad? I was like, what am I going to do to fix the brightness? I even thought that it's probably because I am just using the free editing software of my iMac, which is the iMovie, and I was like, maybe that's the reason why. But it's not. So I did a lot of like research. What am I going to do with my iPhone 12 to fix the camera and video settings? And then I found out that there's actually a lot of people that are struggling to fix their camera on their iPhone Pro and Pro Max. And even the younger people that I thought that are tech savvy, I've seen a lot of video on YouTube. They're filming themselves using iPhone 12 and they're uploading their video on YouTube. The quality of their video is so bad. At least now I know that I am not the only one, because I actually did the same in one of my video. That is my first trip to San Francisco. And then I came to this one video. It's just a short video, probably like a 1 minute, 2 minute video. She's showing what she did on her camera to turn off the HDR. Good thing after that video, I only uploaded one video with that quality, and after that, everything has been fixed. So anyhow, the reason why your iPhone 12 camera is too bright when you're uploading it on your laptop or when you're trying to edit it, it is actually the HDR mode or the high dynamic range that's making your picture and your video look super bright. Because those editing softwares that's out in the market are not capable of the HDR yet. Not to worry, because there's still a way that you can still edit your video, even those videos that you already took in the past. I'm gonna show you how. Okay, so let's now go check our iPhone 12, and I'm gonna show you what I usually do now before I shot a video. First, let's go to settings. And then scroll down and let's go find our camera. And then once you found the camera, click the camera button and then click record video. Scroll down and you can see the HDR video is turned on. So once this is turned on, or once this is green, you're gonna see that your video quality is gonna be too bright when you uploaded it on your video editing software. What you want to do is turn this off, and now you can start taking video without worrying that your video is going to be super bright. But if you already have a video that you took in the past, this is what you can do. So I'm going to show you first the video that I took with an HDR on. It looks perfect when you are just watching it on your phone. But it's not like that though when you start transferring it on your video editing software. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. This is what it looks like when your HD is turned on your iPhone 12. As you can see, the quality of your video is too bright. You can't even see the faces of the people and the beauty of the place. So now I am going to show you what you can do to turn off the HDR on the video that you already took. So first, let's go to iMovie, this one here. Click the Add button and then click Movie. And you're gonna see this. This is the one that I showed you guys earlier. But if you wanted to add more, you can just click the video that you wanted to turn off the HD. Or if you only just want that, you can just click one. And at the bottom, click Create Video. After choosing all the videos that you wanted to turn off the HDR, you can click Done on the top left corner of your phone. At the bottom of your phone, you're gonna see this arrow button. So just press that one. And if you can see here where it says My Movie, below it is the video option. At the bottom, you're gonna see HDR. Just turn that off and you're done. After that, you can either just save your video or you can send it directly to your laptop. And now I'm gonna show you guys the video that I showed you guys earlier after the HDR is turned off. Cool, isn't it? You can now capture that beautiful moment and clearly see the faces of those people on your video. And there you go, friends. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do like my video, don't forget to smash that like button, and see you on my next video. Adios! Hope this video is kind of helpful to all of you. I am making video.
Me too.
Huh? Sorry, say that again.
I was like, why does she look so happy, whoever it is she's talking to?
Oh no, I'm doing a YouTube video.